This is Adam Pender of NERPA 296 of the Hydraulic Composite Squadron A5.
We have to choose one
the high altitude balloon challenge.
from.
So at the beginning of the challenge, we kind of based our experiments off of pressure differences and UV rays given off at the space altitude. So a lot of our experiments that we questioned kind of refer to pressure differences and UV rays. One of our experiments was a Lego minifigure that was coated in white. Our hypothesis was, since if it was directed to sunlight and UV rays at a high altitude, maybe it would discolor the minifigure faster and turn it from white to yellow. So when our experiment came back to us, we were kind of a little disappointed to see that the white didn't change much. It kind of stayed the same. But what we did observe is that the gold markings on the helmet, when we sent it in, it was kind of a little battered. It was kind of dark. But when we got it back, it was shiny and polished. So we started thinking, like, maybe the UV rays changed the way the gold looked to us. Maybe it changed from, like, originally it was dark, now it was light. When we finished with our results, we started thinking about what possibly could have happened that didn't make the minifigure turn from white to yellow. We started thinking about maybe the minifigure wasn't exposed to sunlight that much where the effect couldn't happen in time. Maybe the UV rays weren't strong enough to change the minifigure's color. All the cadets contribute equally to the project, whether it was writing the badge, finding out the hypothesis, writing the conclusions, coming up with ways on what we could do with our experiments. We all contributed equally and threw our ideas at each other so we could discuss amongst ourselves what we could do for this project to work. If we were given the $5,000 prize, all that money would be given back to our squadron, which could help get new equipment as well as replace old equipment. Credit to Michael J. for the article that we looked at, as well as Google for providing the images. So how can we put that in a hypothesis? It's the if-then statement.
What did you say? If it goes, what was it? If it gets more sunlight, you said? If it gets
UV rays, yeah.
If something, if it gets more UV rays or something, then it'll change color.
Okay.
Change the color. Will change.
Yeah. Alright, so if the to UV rays and sunlight, right?
Yeah.
Then it will discolor and turn yellow.
Yes.
Alrighty. That's one thing. Alright, so the materials that we used, that one's kind of a little